Is it a calzone or is it an empanada? How to make Spanish Italian calzones. This is what you need: ricotta, mozzarella shredded, Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, parsley, Goya empanada dough, black pepper and salt. Let's get started. Press the edges of the dough firmly together with a fork, just like this. Then flip it over and do the other side. Make sure it's sealed well so that none of the cheese filling gets out while you're deep frying it. Then heat up your oil while making the rest of your empanadas. Well, I just deep fried 24 empanadas, and it looks like they're all gone, except for 2.